Hello, hello, welcome back. I am going to do an unboxing for Scrapbook Coach Kits at Home, and I'm pretty darn excited about this, guys. So this is my very first one. It came in this nice bubble wrap mailer, nice nifty shipping. So from what I understand, that these are available in the US and in the UK. US gets them a little bit more quickly than the UK from what I understand. I'm trying to figure it out. Okay, so big bubble wrap mailer. Now I have a couple very cool things in here. I have got the volume 2. Check this out, guys. I have the volume 2 of the scrapbook sketches, 525 new and advanced scrapbook sketches. So volume 1, I've seen a bit of that online. Actually, I've seen it a lot. And it's geared for more of like a minimalistic or a beginning scrapbooker or something like that. And then volume 2 is just amped up a little bit. Now, I also have been led to believe you kind of want both, but we have to start somewhere, my friends. So here we are. I've got this, and it's got lots and lots and lots of very easy to check out sketches. So I will be totally vibing this. Super excited about that. Now, this is the July 2023 kit for scrapbookingcoach.com. At home, this is this gorgeous, sturdy box. Guys, I was so intrigued. Oh my gosh, it's like a magnetic closure. I was so am I such a dork, guys? Look, like it's totally, okay. I get excited about the little things. So super great packaging. You can totally stack these up on your shelf without any kind of worry for damage. So that's rather awesome. Okay, I have this. Let's see. Ooh. All right, so there's a big, nice note here. Tells you how to claim a discount voucher. You take a selfie holding your kit and provide us with a 2 to 3 sentence testimonial. You email it, For an instructional video on how to use this month kit, log into, your login. If you need help finding your username. Okay, so there's all of this info printed right on the packaging, so you don't even have to go hunting for it. Okay, bubble wrap, and we'll be having ourselves a little poppy fun with that later, although this stuff is so great for mixed media. That might happen too. Okay, phew. You have a design guide for this kit. I believe the kit's called Beautiful Life. I didn't know that. And this is the guru, Anna, and she is adorable and engaging and just the cutest thing. So she does tons and tons, I'm not going to show you all the goodies, of work with her products. So let's jump right in. I always like to look at paper and then go backwards. So this is even packaged inside the packaging. We have packaging in the packaging of the packaging. Guys, this is like seriously sturdy. Okay. I was a little worried that my dogs would hear me just now, like when I just knocked on that, and come make a ruckus, but they did not. All right, packaging again, very nice. Guys, I won't keep carrying on, but I use this to mix my mixed media as well. All right, so our very first piece of paper needs to be fussy cut. I love it. It's gorgeous. We've got these beautiful, beautiful blooms. Let me come out just a little bit. We've got these beautiful blooms, and in the background of it, you've got all of these great words like celebrate, joy, independence, all that kind of stuff. So how awesome is that with these gorgeous florals popped right up on top? Love that. So you get 2 of them. So you have the backside, which is perfect. It's white with a nice pop of a pink dot, like a nice magenta-y, kind of like this color here. A nice pop of dot, and you have a white, crisp background. So that will be fun to design with. Did I tell you guys I'm on the design team now? It's a brand new thing. Okay, so our next piece, this is super interesting. So We've got 16 squares, all kinds of designs going. Lots of text, kind of like typewriter kind of font. We've got hearts. We've got this piece here that you kind of see represented behind the florals. Super cute. And then there's even another couple of flowers if you want to fussy cut them. Look at, so pretty. You can punch from them. You can do all the things. Okay, so then oh, that's awesome. Look at this paper, guys. So we've got a notebook paper, and it looks like packaging technique with pink on it. And then the lines, we've got this turquoise, a nice mustard, and that nice bright pop of magenta. Super pretty. Okay, so our next one, and guys, the weight is quite nice on these papers, by the way. It's the first time I've felt them. They're quite nice. So this looks like this fab mixed media paper already done for you. And all of these magenta shades going into some darker. We've got a bit of white coming through. Super pretty. And then this one is a gorgeous, gorgeous text. So this is the text that's in this pink. It's just blown right out. How cute is that? So super gorgeous, fabulous, cursive-y kind of vibe. So our next piece of paper, it is stunning, 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 stunning. I love the aqua. I love the variegated vibe to it. I love that it looks like watercolor. I love that it's my favorite color. Yes, I do. All right, so then the back side of that. Oh, pretty, pretty, pretty. So we've got all of these florals. I was going to call them roses, but I don't know what they are. And you see text behind it. So cool. And there's even a little bit of white space in between the text. It's super, super cool. Super cool. So loving that. I like the strong, bold black and white with all of the bright color. Our next piece of paper has these great circly bits all done for you on the side. This is so easy to design with because you just want to pop a few more up and have a photo right here. It is a fabulously easy piece of paper to just like go off with. So I love that. I love all the text again. I mean, the words like freedom, creativity, independence, joy, it's all good stuff. And then the back of that one. Ooh, talk about hot pink. We've got a nice black border. And once again, we've got these words, right, blown out, but you're getting it in more of like a charcoal kind of tone, not a jet black. Cool. And then finally, we have two of the last paper. We've got a nice little black and white, kind of like, does it look like Vans, Harlequin tile? I don't know. A little bit of mixed media already done on the sides, but super bold color. Cool. And then the back side of that, oh, it's so much calmer. Like that side is just super bold. And then the flip side has these gorgeous orange and aqua and pink and mustard little cute hearts, just kind of drawn like, I mean, they're repeating, but they're imperfect. And I love that. So that's what we have for our papers. Okay, oh, we have one more. Guys, look at this. What can I show this to you on? Maybe this one? Maybe this one. This is a piece of vellum with all of those wordy bits again. How cool is that? But it's super, like, it's got this subtlety to it that is so darned pretty. So we've got this gorgeous piece of vellum in this. I love that. Kind of an unexpected little goodie to add into things. Okay, now we can talk about our alpha for the month. We've got a tile alpha. It's black with scuffy kind of lettering on white. That's fun. Like that. What else? Let's see. Ooh, look at these. We can open up this little Prezi. So we have got, come on, open up. There we go. We have got some clips, guys. Oh no. We have got these little heart paper clips. How cute are they? And there's There's 5 of them, and they're a nice black paper clip, like the size of a nice quarter, in case you're trying to figure out the size. Very cool. So we've got some paper clips. So, oh, and we have some wood veneer. We have hashtags. I love the packaging though too. It's like you're opening up little presents. Coming out. Come. So we have these little hashtags, and this is making me think too. Okay, when we have 5 of these, guys, wouldn't it be kind of neat to do like a border with these all in a row? I know they're supposed to be hashtags, but who says they have to be? That might be a thing. Okay, we're gonna see. I have a washi. Look at how much washi is on that. It's like washi for days. Okay, where's the end, guys? There it is. So it's a nice white with black for a grid. Super easy and usable. And seriously, look at that quantity. So washi for days there. And then we have ourselves a really nice size stencil. It measures 8 inches by 8 inches across. Of course, a stencil doesn't go all the way to the 8, but pretty darn close. So we have got a really fun stencil. It is nice and sturdy too. That's cool. Great stencil. And then finally, the last thing is we have a stamp set. And once again, it's all wrapped up so beautifully. Come. So we have a stamp set. Let me see. This is the problem when you have all this great pattern paper. So we've got that repeating black and white, right? We've got 3 sizes of hearts. We've got some cute wordy bits. And then we have some pieces that start feeling like a little bit more like texture stamps or background stamps, that kind of thing. Like all of these cute little hearts are adorable. I love these like hearts that I love the imperfect hearts. I think that's super cute. And then these wordy bits down here, it's repeating all of that text that we see throughout the kit. Phew, guys, I could just start creating. So what I'm gonna do, all right, I have a plan. I'm gonna get a couple photos and I'm just gonna go for it and pick any sketch out of this and get to creating. So guys, I'll have links below where you can get your hands on these kits and the Facebook link, all that kind of stuff. And I will see you guys ever so soon with another video. Bye for now and stay tuned. I'm gonna get creating. Bye guys.